Yes.
The next chapter, boxes and sketches.
Sir, only 11 participants.
Yeah. This chapter is completely based on practicals. It is nothing but activities. So maximum questions you have to try at home. Take the cardboard or paper, A4 sheet paper, make different shapes, cuboids and all this. How to do this, all the information I will share, and you have to do this at home and take the video of the doing and send to me. That is the activities we have to do here. Okay, let us start what is there in this chapter.
Sir, should we write all this?
No, I will tell what you have to write. Activities
Okay,
you have to do. Writing part is very less. This you can write. First one.
Sir, 2D shapes are
2D shapes. Match the following. Match the 2D shapes. 2D shapes.
Sir,
2D shapes.
Sir, I'm not writing it.
Why?
you have to write it right,
You
sir.
have to write. Writing part is very less. Only this slide and the last slide. The rest are only activities.
Sir,
2D shapes,
actually,
solid
book
shapes.
finished.
Six shapes are here. Draw the shapes with pencil. Don't do color. Just draw with pencil. 6 shapes here.
Sir,
6
Sir,
names are
I
there.
need to buy one.
Eraser.
Sir, my book finished.
What can I do for that?
Take a new book.
I don't have. My brother took it. Sir, I took a screen.
Then buy a new one.
Square. Circle. Rectangle. Hexagon. Pentagon. Triangle.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, even coordinator, pentagon, hexagon, septagon, nonagon, decagon, all these are 2D shapes.
Yes. All are 2D shapes. Whatever you can draw on the paper are 2D shapes. Which you can't draw on the 2D shape, which you have to touch and imagine, that is called 3D shapes. Sphere you can't draw on the paper. Sphere you have to touch. Okay,
Sir,
match the
even we can
following.
draw 3D shapes like the square shape, the square 3D shape. We can draw on the paper.
Yes, you can draw on the paper or 2D shapes, which you cannot draw on the paper or 3D shapes.
So 3D shapes can also be drawn.
No, not possible. You can't draw the sphere. You can draw only circle. You can't draw the sphere. Sphere will have volume. Whatever volumes are there that you can't draw. You can draw only a 2D picture only, which resembles 3D picture. But 3D picture you can't draw on the, because paper is a 2-dimensional. Length and breadth are there. It is only 2-dimensional. You can't draw. You can show the picture, but it is not the original picture. Okay, without any delay, match the following. First one.
Say is this.
First one, circle. Next, rectangle. Square. triangle. Hexagon means 6 sides. Pentagon means 5 sides.
Sir, then which shape is this?
Huh?
Sir, then which shape is this?
Which one?
Sir, this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, which one?
Sir, which I have drawn in my book, sir, the 3D type.
Which I can't see, beta. Which I can't see. You have drawn a similar shape which looks like cuboid, but that is not cuboid. Cuboid will have the volume. See, Uzifa, length and breadth and height will be there, where you will show 3 dimensions on the board. It will come towards you. You can't draw that, no. Length and breadth, height will be towards you. Towards you means we have to draw in the space. 3D objects will occupy the space. 2D objects will not occupy the space. They occupy area which can be shown on the board. Circle, yes, area. Sphere will not have area. Sphere will have the volume. Volume means you have to touch the sphere. Sphere will be like this, which you can't draw on the board. You can draw circle, not the sphere. So sphere looks like a circle if you see the picture from far away. So we draw circle, we say it is a sphere. But actually 3D is not possible to draw on 2D. Okay, match the following is done. If this is done, then go for match the following of solid shapes. 3D
Yes,
pictures.
Pyramid.
Sir, shall I write?
Yeah, if this is done, go for second one.
Solid shape.
Solid shapes means 3D objects like sphere, cube, cone, prism, all this.
Then even if we try to draw them, we can't draw them because it's not
Yes,
possible.
you can't draw the exact picture. You can draw only similar shapes, looks like that.
Picture.
This first one is completed.
Yes, sir.
Sir, why near the shape of the
The second one is
sphere?
cube. So the second one is cube. The third one is
Rectangle.
cylinder. Fourth one is pyramid. Fifth one is fifth one
Last one is pyramid.
cone. Fifth one is cone.
Yeah.
Cylinder,
So the sixth one is rectangular prism.
sphere, cube,
So cube,
cone,
Cone.
rectangular prism. Rectangular prism.
Pyramid.
So then
Rectangular prism.
pyramid.
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 Okay. It looks like a circle, but it is a sphere.
Yeah. So the first one is sphere and the second one is cube or cuboid.
If all sides
Yeah.
are equal, it is cube.
And so the third one is cylinder. So because it looks
All
like a
sides are
cylinder.
equal, so it will be cube. It is the cylinder.
So the fourth one is pyramid. Fourth one is pyramid.
Over, sir. Remainder.
So this is rectangular prism. This is cone. Where is the pyramid?
Yes, sir. There is a pyramid.
No. It should be cuboid in this case. It is not pyramid. You'd have to write as cuboid.
That sir,
Done, sir.
Yeah.
sir, any activities?
Yes.
Sir, with any like A4 size papers?
A4 size paper. Instead of that, you can take some thick size.
Okay.
Scrapbook will be there, no?
Sir.
Scrapbook.
Sir, this one?
Yeah.
This is scrapbook.
Scrapbook papers are fine. What is the name of the shape?
Sir, this is not cuboid.
Hmm?
Sir, this is rectangular prism. Rectangle.
No, this is a cuboid.
Cuboid, sir.
What is rotating here is cuboid. Length, breadth, height, all are there.
Sir, but it is not square.
This is a cuboid. Square will not be there. That will become cube. If all sides are equal, that is cube. If three sides are different, then it is cuboid. Length, breadth, height. This is a cuboid. Yeah. How to make a cuboid?
Sir, I have actually done this.
Yeah. See, this is how to make cuboid.
Sir, is this activity?
Yes. This is the activity where first and second, two different shapes I have mentioned here. In the first one, what we are doing is 1, 2, 3, 4. They are rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 are rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 are rectangles. 6 and 5 are squares. Then by folding this, you will get a cuboid.
Ma'am, sir, we have to draw this.
No need to draw, you have to make it. It is an activity, you have to do it.
With craft.
You can take a scrapbook paper or a thick paper, thick sheet, and you can try to make a cuboid. How you are making the cuboid, take the video and send to me. You will get marks for that.
Okay, sir.
And you have to fold this. Fold 1, fold 3, 4. One opposite 3 will come. 2 in the bottom, 4 in the top you will get.
4 at the top
And 5 and 6 will be opposite to that.
right side, 5 at the left side.
Daddy. We got wrong.
Sir, just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Sir, I bet.
This is the net of cuboid, means the outline. When a cuboid shape is opened, then you will get shapes like this. I will send the PDF of this. By looking at these measurements, you try to make a cuboid.
Okay, sir.
Sir, should we draw this cuboid on a book?
You no need to draw in the book. You have to do the activity. That's what I'm telling. You had to make two different cuboids, the first one and second one. If you look at the
Sir,
second one, there are two big rectangles, two small rectangles.
Sir, actually, we done this in fourth class, right, sir?
Cube, if you want to make cubes, yes, these are the different styles of cubes. Cube means you have to take squares. You have to take squares.
Sir, the first one and the second one is same, sir. Just it's upside down.
You try. See, I have given 4 different styles here. I have given 4 different styles. Out of 4, you try any 2. I am asking to do the activity any 2 shapes, not all 4 required. In the examination also, in the examination MCQs, you will be given different, these nets will be given to you. Out of these nets, you will be asked which can be made a cube or which is not possible to make a cube.
Sir, we have to take 6 papers.
Not 6 papers. I am asking to do only 2, only 2 cuboids, 2 cubes, like activity.
We take 6 colored papers. He's asking that.
Not 6 color papers. 1 paper only you can take, make squares, then color it. Don't take color papers. Don't waste your money or time or papers. 1 paper is enough. We can make a small cube, very cute cube. A paper cuboid.
Sir, in this cube, sir, this is a cube. It's just like a dice. If we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, then it will be a dice.
Yes. Every cube will be a die. Four different nets I have given. Out of 4, you take any 2 and make a cube.
Sir, I'll make a video.
If you want to make a cylinder, then
yes, sir.
you can make a cylinder by using this.
Oh,
Making cylinder is very easy.
okay.
You can take a paper, fold it. Yes, cylinder you will get. Top and bottom circles, you have to close it.
Sir, making cylinder is so easy.
Yes, very easy. So try any 1 cylinder or 2 cylinders. Choice is yours.
Sir, we can even take circles different. Sir, the rectangle piece different and the circle piece is different.
Yeah, different.
Is it one with me?
Sir, will you send this PDF?
Yeah, I will send. This is how to make a cone. This is how to make a cone. That circle part is the bottom one which close the cone. Without circle part also you can do it. Many of you know how to make a cone. When you went to shop, they will put the things. No, they will make paper cone. Paper cone.
Yes, sir. Do it like this. This is
Yes.
Sir, they roll.
Paper cone.
Sir, they rolled it.
Yes,
They
yes.
rolled the paper.
They rolled it and make it.
sir, even on railway.
Like this.
How to make a triangular piece. There.
triangle based pyramid, square based pyramid. Four equilateral triangles. Four equilateral triangles of same base.
Triangular base pyramid.
Triangle based pyramid, square based pyramid.
So how can we make the triangular?
Bottom will be triangle.
Okay.
This is the triangle. Bottom will
Okay,
be
sir.
triangle.
Yes.
You can see the picture there. See,
Yes, I understood, sir.
you have triangle this. This fold it. This fold it. This fold. 1, 2, 3. All three. If you fold all three, they will meet.
Triangle.
Base will be triangle and three flaps will meet. You will get a triangular pyramid.
And sir, what about the first one? Three triangles up and the last triangle down.
Three triangles up. This is at the base. This is at the base.
Sir,
These three triangles you have to fold up. Fold up, fold up. All will meet. Then triangle at the base and three triangles will be up. If you try this with the paper, you will get. Similarly, square. Square in the bottom. Four triangles. Fold four triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. All will come like this up. Base will be square. Triangles will be up. That is square based pyramid.
okay,
You can try one of this shape. No hurry. You have enough time. You can do leisurely.
triangular.
This is a prism. How to make a prism.
First one is a square triangular prism and the second one is rectangular.
Triangular prism. You can do with the help of three squares or three rectangles.
So prism means a glass.
So prism means no need to be always in glass. You can make with the papers also. It looks like a prism. Prism shape.
So because I learned that prism is a type of a triangular glass which the light passes through.
Yes. That is there. That you go higher classes, then you will go for prism, refraction, light, all this you will learn. But prism shape, we are discussing only about the shape here. Yeah, this is an important one. This you have to copy. Of course, I will send this. You have to copy all this.
Sir?
How many faces
Sir?
will be there? How many edges? How many vertices for a cube?
Sir, I have made a cuboid
Very
with
good.
paper.
Where? Good, Sucheta. Yes, all can see cuboid is made. Looks like a cube or cuboid? Yeah, cuboid only. Yes, good. Now look at this. These questions you can expect in the examination. There will be how many faces, how many edges, how many vertices. And the same topic again you will get in 5th class also, or not 6th class. Already this you have learned in our 1st class. Do you remember? Bricks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In bricks we discussed only cube and cuboid. Here we are discussing cube, cuboid and other shapes also. How many faces for cube? 6 faces. How many edges? 12 edges. Edges means lines. How many edges will be there? And how many vertices? Cube and cuboid will be the same result. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8
Vertical shape.
vertices. This you have to write. Time not permits, I will share the worksheet. You can do it afterwards also. But better you have time, you can copy this. Cube. You can write only the name cube. No need to draw the diagram. The diagram will give, I have given the diagram so that easily you can see how many faces are there, how many edges, how many vertices, that give more clarity.
Sir, I didn't understand the triangular prism edges.
Triangular prism. See, edges means the lines.
So how can I didn't understand it? Okay.
We have to draw a print.
No need to draw. You write the name only. Triangular prism. Just write the name. Diagram is not required. Triangular prism. Faces, edges, vertices.
Sir, cone. Sir,
Sucheta, what did you make? Oh, it's a
cone.
Okay. Now the same thing I am showing here. The same thing. Match the nets and fill in the blanks.
okay.
Number of faces, number of edges. Corners means vertices. Here you have to match the following, which gives cube. Cube means all square should be there. The last one you can go further.
Sir, the last one.
Yes.
Sir, the cylinder is at the first one.
First one is the cylinder.
Sir, cube will be here. Second one. Cone will be at the third.
Cone is the third one.
cube.
Actually, here you had to do two type of matchings. One is name, then net. You have to do the matching name and net. See, you had to do the mapping in this way. First one is cube. First one is cube that goes like
Second.
this. Next
Second
one,
one is
cylinder, and cylinder will be like this. This is how you have to do. It
cuboid.
goes to cuboid, and
Sir,
cuboid comes to like this.
it.
This is how you
Sir,
have to do.
Cylinder, sir. Sir, I had made cylinder.
Okay. Good.
Sir, everyone is making
Yeah, Abhinav, good one. You have to fold it and make a cylinder. Good. Whatever you are doing, please make a video of the doing and send to me.
Sir, like this.
Yeah. How you are doing,
Okay.
make a video. Sit and take a paper, cut it, fold it, make a 3D picture, name it, and record all this. Yeah, complete this table.
Done, sir. One, 4, three, 5, 4, 5. Done, sir.
Completed? Yeah. Whatever I have discussed, I will share that.
Sir, making cuboid is very easy.
Hmm?
Making cuboid is very easy. Take pencil.
Yeah. Look at this question. Ramya went to buy sweets. The shopkeeper took a paper cutout and quickly made a lovely pink box for the sweets. She made 4 more shapes. Each is to be folded along the dotted line. You had to find out which of these can be made into the box. A, B, C, D, 4 shapes are there. Out of 4 shapes, which can be made into a cuboid, you have to fold along the dotted lines. D is not possible, I can say. D is not possible because you have only one small square is there, other square is not there. You should have 2. There should be total 6 spaces.
Sir, the A1. A1.
Clearly D is not possible. Listen. What
A1,
about
sir.
B? Listen first. What about B? Dotted lines are making triangle. If you can see, top and bottom, you are getting triangles. But in a cuboid, you will never get a triangle. So B and D are not possible. Yes.
Sir, it's A.
A and C. With A and C, you can make a cuboid. A and C can be made into boxes.
Sir? Sir?
Yes.
Sir, the question which you were reading the straight box, in that, sir, even at the end it's written that you can even use the cutout in the page number 201. Sir, this cutout.
Wait. Oh, what, Hujifa? What is your doubt?
Sir, in the page, it's written that you can use this cutout.
Okay, the textbook. You're talking about textbook now?
Yes, sir. So we can use this cutout to make a box.
Okay.
It's written.
Yeah, we will come to that. First, let us go for introduction. Introduction of the topic, then we will go further. Next. Paper cube. Using a squared sheet. If you want to make a cube, you have to make square sheets. She knows that all faces of a cube are squares. She draw 2 different shapes. Will both the shape fold into a cube? Can you make this into a cube? Can you make this into a cube? Yes, both the shapes
Yes,
you can fold to make into a cube. Okay. Draw at least one more shape which can be folded into a cube. Earlier you have seen here 2 shapes which can be made a cube. I am asking to try some more. Same cuboid you can take. Cuboid with sides equal.
It's a cube.
You can make this as a cube. What will be the area of each face of a cube? Each face of a cube looks like a square. So area of square is the area of face. Side into side. Each face looks like a square. So side into side is the area of each face. Draw one shape which will not be folded into a cube. Cube means 6 surface, 6 squares. But 6 squares always will not make a cube. They have to be in different styles, different nets. Here, if I take all squares one after the other side by side, then not possible to fold this into a cube.
And sir, even if you take a single strip of 6 squares.
Yes, this one shape I have given, you can try some other shape. Look around and discuss which things around you looks like a cube. List a few. List a few things which looks like a cube. Dice, Rubik cube, ice cubes, sugar cubes.
Sugar.
Sir, I have made rectangular prism.
Oh, good. Sucheta, where can I see?
Sir, Sucheta is making all the shapes in the class. But sir, I think she can't make the video because sir, in the class the video is not possible.
So she can make at home afterwards. Okay, now look at this. Match the last question. Match the following.
Yes, sir.
Match the following.
Okay, sir. So the first one, on the first box, the first one, which is the rectangle, I mean triangle.
The first one is to second one.
And the
So the second
second
one
one
is
matches
Fourth.
to the fourth one, and the third one matches to the third one.
first
Third matches to the
and fourth is to third.
Third one is a cylinder, but top and bottom are not the hollow cylinder. So circles are not required, only cylinder. A rectangular sheet can be folded to make a cylinder.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will repeat.
Done? Yes. Yeah. That's the end of this.
Okay, sir.
So only the first one and number of faces, this you have to write in the classwork. Rest are activities. Try to make minimum 2 cubes, 2 cuboids. Remaining are 1 is enough. Prism, all this 1 is enough. Pyramid, 1 is enough. But 2 cuboids, 2 cubes I want with the different shapes. Yes, you are showing it to me, but that is not required. You have to do it. While doing, ask your parents to make a record the video and send to me. Please send the
Sir, I-
recorded video that carries marks. The whole chapter is
okay, sir.
completely activity based. There is nothing there to write. It is only activity based. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See you in the next class. I will share the
Thank you,
homework
sir.
also. Whatever you
Thank you,
start,
sir.
I will share that, and homework also I will send. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
See you in the next class.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.